Hello. Now I will take another topic, that's importance of national tourism. I'll take the question and will provide you the natural responses. So the question here, why is tourism important to a country? I think tourism is extremely important to a country because a country can earn a lot of foreign currency. For example, if an European visiting here in Bangladesh, they will bring money, dollars or euros, for example, with them, and they will take the facilities and take services and they will pay money. So this is really a wonderful opportunity for a country to earn a lot of monies from other countries. On top of that, it's a great opportunity for many people in this country to have communication with those who are coming to visit in here. For example, they can learn a language from them, they can learn about the cultures and traditions about this. So it's actually like, it's a complex of things. If I want to think even further, a country can develop their infrastructures. If a lot of foreigners are coming, security gets beefed up. So everything gets really improved. So it's really important for a country to host a lot of tourists from another country. What are the benefits of individuals of visiting another country as tourists? I think it has several advantages. The first thing, they can really enjoy their time, and when they will go to the other country, they can enjoy their moment even much better because this is certainly a new environment. It's a great opportunity to learn various cultures, traditions, and introduce with various type of food, for example. So this is really important for a person. I think there are other reasons too. When a person is visiting, they can exchange their shares with the local community, what they really believe, what they really think. For example, about their ideology, religious faith and beliefs, something like this. And on top of that, people can learn a foreign language, which is really helpful in many cases to go ahead in life. How necessary is it for tourists to earn the language of country they are visiting? I think it's really important to communicate very effectively with the local people. For example, if I am visiting any country, for example China, and I don't know any language, so that would be very difficult to exchange my views with them. On top of that, learning language give more opportunities to have more faith and interaction with the people. For example, even if I can speak few words or few sentences, people would really happy and appreciate me and welcome me and will try to cooperate me in every kind of steps and movements. Otherwise, it would be very difficult for me. However, in recent era, I think the trend is a little bit of changing as English is dominating around the world as a language. So when people are visiting another places, they can very efficiently communicate in English. So that's been providing wonderful opportunities to avoid learning any foreign language.